5 crossed the 20. 5 crossed the 50. Price was above here. Price just crossed the 50. I guess some resistance here. You want to buy on support or demand. It's going to be patient. I should be showing the whole curve now. That would be a good time to buy. Buy some of that support. There's this gap to 511. We could probably take that up if it maybe pulls back here. That was really on volume. And this is piercing. So maybe we consolidate around here again. And then buying signal to go long. Perhaps. But it's not a buying signal yet. Let's save this. Honestly, this could just be 3. No, this could actually be 4. That's 2. That's 2. Let's see level 2. Alright, so we're coming back to the support. And perhaps the traders hold and then go long. Hit the 45 delta. That's gonna be 10. So just get in. So we just took it all back. So don't really need to. But we're back at this level. But you gotta be careful with that piercing. Let me save this right here. Save grid eyes. This is day trade. This day trade analysis. So this might have some buying. Oh my God, Mike. Happy Friday, bro. So we might, maybe we retrace here. Buyers are coming in. It'll be an early buy. I want to wait for confirmation here. But that was after that push up. We retraced here probably like 60%. And we're here. I might take that trade. I'm going to take the trade. Definitely an early buy, but I'll have my stop loss at this low. And let's see if we could write this back up to 509. And my stop loss will be at 514. And then, yeah, definitely an early trade, but bouncing on the 50, rejecting that level a bit. Could be a stinger. Let's see how we react. Again, we're on this previous support level, so that's where we wanted to buy, taking that Let's see if we can. They'll probably have some resistance at 509, but the trade will be to take it to 543, right? So we're in profit now, but you know, we definitely, I need to work on holding my trade. So this is something where just be patient, right? Still have that stop loss. Yeah, definitely still have that stop loss. See if I could just take this up to, again, right? We had that big resistance, right? All those buyers just got killed. So again, sort of just be patient here. Maybe even have a bigger stop loss, perhaps, but I don't know. You know, because sellers are still in this market, and we pre-market. The pre-market was really down, so but we made this real uptrend. So I'm hoping we could get back to the highs. It might be a while before we get back to the highs. So maybe it's not a scalp. Maybe it's a trade I hold for some time, but I just want to get to this profit target and get out of here, right? Again, we're going to see some resistance here, but let's see if we could like follow through. Let's see if we could punch through on this trade. Yeah, right. There's going to be some resistance, but good profit right now. But those sellers are still here, so sort of a be patient type of trade, I think. Good that I got in early, which means I can hold the stop loss, but I really just want buyers to, come through. Let's see what the overall market is doing. I don't want to just watch this trade like a hawk, but fuck it. They're trying to push through. Sellers are coming in, man. That's the 2 minute. Should not hawk on the 2 minute. Let's see what the market is doing. Hopefully I save that. Let's see, Q's 508.89. So my target profit, 34 will be a really good trade, but after that Pearson candle down, perhaps I just take this profit, but I really think we could at least push, kick push, at least to 509. But let's see what the overall market is doing. I have that saved. Let me save it again. Okay, markets can shut at that level. All right, we might just need to take profit. Nah, that's just too quick. Let the market breathe. Let's see what the market's doing. Macro market. Not the macro market. Give me the Mag 7. Because if the Mag 7 can go up, then we could, we could probably hold this trade. Apple, seeing some pain. Nvidia is our main guy. We see Q's going up right now. Q's looks like it's breaking out. Let's get back to that trade. In profit right now. What did I call that trade? I called it 8-day trade analysis. All right, Q's looks like it's breaking out on our side. That's what we like. All right, we might see some further resistance, but really good trade so far. Really good trade. Let's just take this at. We're already. Let's just take profits here, right? Yeah, let's take profits here. Really good first trade. We probably could have waited to take it to the high, but this piercing candle means resistance, and we had this wick over here. So I'm going to think there's some resistance here already, but we had the tweezers right here, right? The Harame tweezers. So that was the reason why we took that trade. That's on the 2 minute. On the 5 minute, we're consolidating as well, making these tops. So I'm just like, I'm comfortable taking profit there, right? Unless we break out. But like, this is making a triple top. So however, we see on the EMA the 5 cross the 50. So I think on the day, I'm just going to stay bullish. However, just wait for pullbacks, right? Buy on support, sell on resistance, right? Like that's an A+ setup. That's the shit we do, right? And then we watch the market go into more profit. Really good trade. Let's watch the market now. Mike, you took that trade? JPM. I've been playing JPM this week, man. I've been really violating this. Just milking that motherfucker. Netflix going up. Markets probably gonna keep breaking out. What's Q's at? 509.43. Really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Probably could have held. Well, definitely could have held. Look at Netflix. Netflix was on support. Probably could have bought that. Microsoft was on support. That's like Warren Buffett says it all the time, but no one listens. Buy when there's fear in the market. You see this double bottom and nobody bought. Why didn't I buy? Even my root play. Well, I'm happy I took profits there. Tesla, another bottom I didn't buy. Is there a chance to still buy though? Right? This gap down just like I really don't like that gap down, which is why I don't want to be which is why I don't want to be overly long, but there's definitely some plays here, right? Like this is one, two, three, four bottoms. If it was a triple bottom, probably, but maybe I think about going short, right? What could be shorted here? Google, like these are all on support. Apple is the one that could get shitted on. Apple could be a potential short. Mm, Microsoft. I need to make these actually. I'm just do it now because I need to trade more. Right. Let me ask ChatGPT. Like that was a really good Q's trade. Really good Q's. I need to get fucking funded. Mike, I was watching this guy trade futures live. Bro. Futures you can make like because it's different than options, right? Options you deal with the Greeks, you deal with delta, gamma, data, vega, with IV, right? All of those metrics make your options price, right? So it's different with futures. So, for example, your price could be going up. However, if the IV is going down, if the VIX is down, if hold on, I'm just looking at cues. Right. But like yeah, like if all of those things are down, like I remember I made a Google earnings play. Google shot up 12% on the day, and my options were down. Right. Like it's different with futures. With futures, uh you have directional exposure. So if price is going up, like and it goes up by ticks, your futures contracts are automatic, like they go up with price. They don't deal with IV, they don't deal with any of that. And the tick size, there's like per tick is like $12, for a point is like $50 with SPX. So like when I get to trading futures, I've been trading it well, but that tick size is a lot. So I might trade SPY, but again, right, just focusing on one asset and then looking at it and trading it. Like that's the shit that makes champions. Fucking beautiful trade with Qs, right? Let's just keep going. Right. This gap down, that pre-market. See, we gap down pre-market on Wednesday. No, was it Wednesday? Oh, it was Tuesday. We gap down pre-market. And the reason we gapped down was because of the Moody's report, right? They downgraded the US credit rating to like AAA, and the market didn't care two shits about that. And we just bought up the gap. Today's gap down was because of a Trump tweet where he said, like, essentially tariff talk and more like, calling out Apple. Like, he's talking about tariff. This, like, impacts future earnings. So this gap down is real to me, right? Like this is hedge funds selling and they're not buying. I want to see if they buy at the end of the day. However, like my mindset isn't bullish right now. My mindset is more so neutral and just waiting to see. Like Tesla's getting bought up. Tesla could be a trade, right? Let me look at Tesla, right? Like that could be a trade. Let's go to this. Let's see what Qs are doing. See, Qs, if I held my trade, look what it's doing. And like that shit does ring to me, right? The guy said, be patient. The truth will out. You just gotta be patient in the market. But I saw a triple top. That's why I sold. And I'm not gonna hold. I'm gonna take my profits and just be out. I didn't even eat breakfast yet, nigga. Give me my money. Let's look at Tesla though. Tesla was looking okay, man. And if Q's is breaking out, like this is looking nice. This is looking nice, actually. This wedge, we getting in Tesla. Actually, give me this. We got the 50. I hope I'm not chasing. I'm buying after 4 greens. I should get in this. We just wedged out. Let me get in this Tesla trade. And Q's is breaking out. Big swingers. See, I'm chasing now, right? Like this is what 1, 2, 3, and some wicks here. Let me wait until it comes back. Then I could take this trade. But look at this, right? Top line, trend line break. Like this could be a trade this gotta be a trade. This gotta be a trade. Maybe I'll go 14 days to expiration. Right. Wait for more confirmations, but more so I like this right now. If it could come back to the trend line, right? Most stocks will come back to the trend line, then we bounce back up. And then that could be a good trade. Okay. Really came down. See that? Do I have the balls to take this trade now? Right? I think I do. Do I? Do I like this setup? Am I rushing it? Man, triple bottom. And we just made a baseline, came back to the trend line. Let me be patient. We had this trend line break, double bottom here. Top lines got broken out, but this could be a false breakout, right? And we just made this piercing candle. Yeah, let me wait. We just came back to the trend line though, right? But we're coming back with a big candle. Yeah, let me wait. Let me wait on that. Let me wait on that. How long do I wait though? You know what I'm saying? How long do I wait? Well, now I can really wait because this trend line got broken, right? So now I can really wait. Good thing I waited on that. See, trading is also about the trades that you don't take, right? That's what I like. But do I take it now, right? It might be something to take now. Now, if the market could break out, we could break out. I could probably take this one here. That'll be my stop loss. My stop loss could be this candle. Could be around this candle. I don't need to wait. I don't need to, because these are more day trades to me, right? I don't need to hold these trades for a long time. So I can have a quick stop loss. This trend line break is kind of why I got in. We had this wedge as well. Unless we're just going to consolidate, but I think we could at least break out to this previous wick, which was 38.60, right? So that could be a good trade right now. Got a really good entry. I don't want to watch this shit like a hawk though, so I'll just set an alert. Let's set an alert right here. Cause watching this shit like a hawk, watching your profit and shit, that's losing behavior. I'll just fucking set the alert at or below there. Great. Really good so far, but again, right, I don't want to take this. Look at these wicks, right? I could even take it to 80. Right? How much am I in profit right now? Tesla. No, not enough. Not enough, brother. We could definitely take this 50 points. And we could actually take this to, man, I don't know if we take it to fill the gap, right? Like a longer term trade, perhaps, man. Start thinking long term because this is a double bottom. Then I could have a true stop loss at around 334, but I'm not holding in this market when Trump is tweeting. Motherfucker go kill fucking games. I'm not doing that. This will be a scalp. I'll take this at 380 to 338. My stop loss will be here. I'll just set alerts, right? Create alert at or above. Respond to some messages. I'm not gonna hold this. I'm not watching this. The European Union was formed as primary purpose of energy in the United States on trade. Has been done the powerful trade barriers, VAT tax, yeah, my way to trade barriers. This dude Trump be going off, bro. Yo, Trump be going off, bro. God damn. More than 200. What's that, 200? That's 250 million a year. Tesla going up. That's pretty good. Let me watch the market then. Because if Tesla's going up, really good trade so far. Really good fucking trade. I mean, give me my fucking money. That's what we fucking do. Oh, got the alert. Oh, fat fucking candle. Fucking breakout. Come on, nigga. Come on. Good fucking trade, man. Like, bro. Nigga, I'm holding. Fuck it. After the breakout, too, fuck that. I'm a hold. Nah, man. Shit can be tight sometimes. Nah, his wick is. his wick is tweaking. That wick is tweaking. That's nasty. That was nasty. And that was on volume. Oh, look at how trading could get you. I'm going to take profit. Fuck it. Let me wait till the next pump. But that was a nasty wick. Let's see if buyers can come back in. Come back in. There you go. There you fucking go. But that was fucking crazy. I don't know why I got so fucking hyped. But that's fucking textbook. That's why I got fucking hype. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, nigga. Oh my. So I know I could have held Qs now. I already know I could have held Qs. I already know I could have held Qs. Well, let me look at my contract. I know I could have held it. Let me look at Qs. I'm gonna look at Tesla, nigga. It's just nigga A plus setup. I'm gonna take profits. Yeah, triple top on Qs. You call the shit out and the shit happens. Yo, you can't make the shit up, bro. Like, yo, you can't make this shit up. I'm taking profits. Fuck it. We're on resistance. Oh wait. Nah, fuck it. Take profits, bro. No, let me chill. Nah, yo, I'm way too emotional right now. Like, nah, let me take profits. I gotta step away from this shit. I gotta step away from this shit. I'm making too much money. I'm making nah. I gotta step away, nigga. Fucking feel like me in the Matrix. Oh yo. I feel like Neo, nigga, in the Matrix, caught that top, took profit, get me the and that's how I know Q's is probably pulling back. Let's see what the market is doing. Come on, bro. Man. Bro, come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, bro. I was in a Tesla trade. Played that shit perfect, nigga. Played that shit perfect, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I put in so much work for this shit. I put in so much work. It's crazy because like shit is starting to make sense now, bro. I caught that shit out perfect. Tesla, perfect. Q's, perfect. That bro, that shit is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, this shit is crazy. Oh my god, like I can't even explain this shit. Bro, bro, like this shit is crazy. I sold root. Why'd I sell? Sold it, perfect time. I played Q's. I knew, yo, triple top. Let me just take profits. I said, fuck it. Tesla came, saw the fucking breakout, took profits. Like, come on. Oh my God, bro. Called this shit out perfect. Triple bottom, trend line break, take the call. I feel like I'm mad because I'm not like sizing up crazy, nigga. Put the whole account in it, change my life. Yo, and the only thing that's stopping me from doing that is fucking fear. It's the only thing, bro. Like, whole week calling shit out. Whole fucking week. Yo, I even know I'm mad. Like, it should be a happy shit just makes sense, bro. Like, I can't even explain this shit. Bro, like I'm mad because I don't have enough money to really change my life right now. But I'm cold. Nah, I need to smoke. I can't do this. Cold shit out, bro. Get the game. Like, here you go. Like, here you go. Calm down, bro. Fucking hype. I want to continue trading, bro. I'm too emotional right now. But this shit coming back to support, nigga. This shit coming back to support. Mm, I got. I need music right now. I need some Bob Marley right now. I need some Bob. Jeez, no, this is crazy, bro. Fucking Neo in the Matrix. I'm not even gonna take the trade. I know this shit is going up. Nah, this is a fat candle down though. Wait for it to retrace a little bit. Fuck it, nigga. A trade's coming up. I'm not gonna take it because I'm emotional. I gotta delete some of these shits. I'm too emotional right now. I need to play some Bob Marley. Some calm shit. Guiltiness. Oh, Africa Unite. That's a good song. If the shit bottoms out, it's support too. Like, that's the trade. Like, nigga, that's a trade, bro. Nah, shit. I need to call. Fucking hype, bro. I need to call. looks like we're bottoming out here, right? Right. This is probably gonna be a nice level to buy, but this red candle tells me that it's not a lot of buyers. I think it's just a wait and see. It's just a wait and see, right? Just be patient. I gotta watch that scene actually. I gotta watch that scene. We are of the lion man, so Africa unite, Africa unite, Africa unite. Cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land. Those two trades were so good, bro. Like, oh my god, that shit was so good, bro. Oh my god, yo, the market's just beautiful, man. Like it talks to you. It's fuck. What the fuck? Let it be done. See the 2 minute. What the fuck is going on? I can't see the fucking screen. Under the sun. See, this might be a trade too, bro. Bro, this might be a trade, but low key, I won't be. I'm too nah, not a trade. But yo, this is a trade. This is a call, right? You buy a call right now. You take it up to 508. A lot of selling, so I want to take it, but I can't even think. Mm. Nah, I gotta step away, bro. I gotta step away. Africa unite. See, buyers are coming in here. It's a lot of selling though, and there's no confirmation, right? There's no confirmation. You just gotta wait. If you wait till like 5, 7, 18, yeah, like let the market breed. You don't take the trade yet. You wait. You wait. You be patient. The market's gonna tell you. Be patient. Be patient. Just be patient. And look at the EMAs. EMAs are falling. EMAs are falling. So yeah, you definitely wait. And that's why you don't take the trade, bro. Just be patient. Always be patient. Just wait. Just wait. Always wait. Always wait. Look at that bitch dropping. Did we fall past that support? Where's the next support here? Bend down low. It's a good song. I'll let it play. See, this is support right here, right? If we start like if buyers start coming in, you know, this could be a level to buy. If I was greedy, I would just I'm already in profit today, so I won't take a risky trade. But if I could buy here, like you just buying on support, but you're not buying on confirmation. So I'm not gonna take the trade. A lot of resistance at this level too, right? But we're coming back to the support level, you know. And if we drop here, then the next support is around here, and then we could buy calls. So if this level fails, then we could chill. And honestly, the way it's looking now, right? Bearish engulfing, this hammer, but that hammer got killed with sellers and then more sellers. So, and we're on support. It really, yeah, it's no trade here yet. EMAs are dropping. The 5 crossed to 50 to 18. You just wait. Oh my God, what the fuck? Yep, don't trade. When it's doing bullshit like that, that might just meant buyers came in, but then you can't trade that. You can't trade that. That's the market trying to get you in. That's like a bad bitch. That's a bad bitch saying, yo, follow me, but she's spreading bread on her. But she just look good, right? And she looking real good right now. I'm not taking this trade though. Maybe, because we started slowing down, we're coming in. Perhaps this is a trade, man. Let me see what keys are. And we're trying to do that on support, which is a good sign. This might be a trade. Oh, it's leaving me already. I need ways to execute faster. Where the fuck is market? Market. Keys. Like, is this a trade, bro? That's a bullish engulfing candle on support. This might be a trade. I'm not gonna take it. Bro. I'm not gonna take that. I don't know. I don't know why I'm not gonna take it, but I'm not gonna take it. Even if I take it, where am I gonna take it to? To 509 after this gap fill? Like something. It could be a trade that I missed. I'm not gonna take this trade. We have a lot of confirmation. We're on the EMA level. You know, bullish engulfing. We already had this doji. Like this is. I don't know why it's not a trade. Why wouldn't I take this? On support. This will be a good entry. I can have a tight stop loss. How much can I get it? Maybe go small volume. I don't know though. There's just something about this one. Its triple top is really the reason why I don't want it. Right? Selling pressure is still here. I'm not gonna take it yet. That's a good retracement. This will be a good level to buy. If I gotta think this much, it's probably not a good setup. And I'm way too emotional right now. I'm not even gonna look at this motherfucker. I'll save it as is though. I should take this trade though. Maybe small size. I'll do small size. Singing. This is my message to you. I'm not taking that trade. I'm not doing. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. We're on support. We have a what? Let me take this trade. All right, I'm in keys here. I'm really gonna have a tight stop loss here, but I really don't even like this trade. But we're on support, so if we could just get this quick push up, like we just got, I still think there's gonna be sellers. Where would the sellers come in? Right, we around this level actually. Right, so let's see how far we could break out. If I could take this back to 509, that would be a good trade. But oh man, I mean, it's gone wild. I'm glad I took it now, but I don't want to stay here for too long. There's something about this trade. I'll take the profit. Let me wait. Let me take the profits. That shit's gone now. And we didn't fill. All right, we just got filled. Quick scalp, you know, just quick scalp. It's not, probably something I could hold, but, the setup's in my favor. I just have a lot of fear right now. Like, I'm way too emotional, right? Like, this would be a trade. Like, I could probably, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just way too emotional right now, bro. I'm way too emotional. Like, why am I not saying that this is a good setup, right? Man, I'm way too emotional today, bro. That fucking man. Way too fucking emotional. You know, how much did I profit there? What was my order? Phil. Nigga. That shit was even no profit. Fucking $75. I mean, maybe it was a good time. I don't know. I gotta stop this shit. I'm too emotional, bro. Nah, you dead ass right, bro. I need. Well, I'm glad I took profits though, and Tesla's down below. Like, why is winning getting me mad right now? Nigga said we're gonna win. Nigga Trump said we're gonna win. Nigga Trump said we're gonna do winning. Nigga Mike said take a 5 minute walk. That ass right, bro. Nigga says winning too much. It's too much winning. I'm calling. I feel like Neo in the Matrix. Nigga took. That I'm out. I might end the stream. See, calling shit out. Calling shit out. This market is beautiful. I took profit on Qs. Why? I knew it was some bullshit setup. I know it was a bullshit setup. I'm gonna flip to this chart. It's gonna be bullshit. Boom. Bullshit. You call shit. Yo, am I not seeing this market perfect, bro? Am I not seeing this market perfect? Like, I can't even explain this shit right now. I'll put in that fucking work. I'm seeing this shit perfect. Nah, I gotta be honest. This shit crazy, bro. This shit, yeah, this shit's so crazy, bro. I'm seeing this shit so good, bro. Like, nah, this shit crazy, bro. I gotta wash the dishes, nigga. Look at the bitch fall, bro. Of course, we're not gonna fill the gap. The gap was on that Trump tweet. That Trump tweet scared niggas, bro. This is not on volume, but this is a piercing pattern, right? And it's a tweezer. It's sort of the same highs. Like, the Bears are gonna win today. They might not take out the lows, but they're gonna come to that. They're coming to this level, bro. 506, like, bro, hell yeah, nigga. I know it. Like, bro, I feel like I've seen this shit. The future happens. The future's already happened. I feel like I'm there, bro. I'm there, man. Yeah, that's probably how these hedge funds think, bro. Nigga, they create their own reality. They know what the future's gonna do. I said, yo, this is a bad trade. I'm gonna take profits. Took profits. $75 don't matter. I didn't even go too much size. I just knew, like, yo, I want to support, but this ain't really a good rule. Like after this Pearson cap, like, it was just so much. I seen the shit. You see the price. Price tells you what it's gonna do. That's why trading is like, I can't wait to have some sons, bro. Tell the niggas the truth about the world. But yo, like, that's probably why, like, I can't even explain this shit, but it's like bro, it's like you're seeing the future. And like, I feel like this with my little account. Imagine these hedge funds with billions, bro. They're not just seeing the future, they're making the future. Nigga, Bill Ackman shorted that one company. Put them niggas out of business, bro. And made their future. He decided that shit in 2005. He executed it in 2008. Created a whole new reality for people. It's not even money, bro. We know the money to that. Nah, that's somebody's mind. The mind to see the future. You gotta use the higher faculties, bro. The mind has imagination. Imagination is reality, bro. It's all it is, man. Like, it's all it is. I just need more money to create my future, bro. Because I see my family, I see my kids trading. Just keep trading, keep trading. Look at price. Be patient. How much am I up to that? Oh my god, we love that. Q's, Tesla. I'm losing on Tesla is the fucking my shares. I'm never selling my shares though. Nice candle on the 5 minute. What the root do? Oh yeah, 100. Good thing I sold that motherfucker. It might be still be. Oh yeah, good thing I sold though. Boom, boom. How much was Tesla? 200 plus that. Oh, yeah, I'm already at my day goal. I could really be done at the coffee shop. I'm just because I don't want to overtrade, bro. You know, that's already how many trades today. Filled. One, two, three, four, five. That's 5 trades today. All wins. 5 for 5, nigga. And I'm emotional, so I'm no more emotional though. I need that one song. I need that one scene, bro. I need that one scene. It's a good Friday. I might play the cross actually. Gotta go to that fucking game. 45 minutes. I already signed up. My boy. Ah, yes, sir. Did you be loved and be loved? Oh, the Tesla one? Bro, the Tesla one is like, yeah. Nah, dead ass, bro. I dead got walk away on the win. Because I feel like I could drop my whole account in a trade. I'm just reading this shit well. But this market's also Friday. It's always Monday. And then it's gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I see why Warren Buffett ain't stop. Well, he gonna retire next year, but yo, good shit on the Tesla trade, bro. Like that shit was just. I'm glad I caught it on the live too, so I could just do the explanation. But look at how, look at how this trend line is still holding, bro. This is why, like, and like I don't know why it's like this, but it's human psychology, right? That's all. That's all what price is. Oh, Monday the market's closed. Shit, what am I gonna do? I might travel. I might hit a casino, nigga. I might go hiking. Monday's market closed. Alright, so I'm gonna definitely go to that shit. But yeah, back to the charts, bro. Like, right? They say the market is just money is just like human psychology, right? And that's why patterns exist, right? That's why we have double tops, right? It's all human psychology, right? A double top, we see this one level here, we came back to the same level here, people sold, right? It's just human psychology. So that's why all these patterns, bro, that's why I bought that book, because I figured, yeah, let me just learn price action. Let me just learn predictions, and then my trading will be off of that. That's why, like, I don't like. I'll start evolving to learn a longer term trader, and like, because price patterns work way better on longer term charts as well. Like, if I go to the 1 year on Tesla, we're gonna see beautiful price patterns, right? Just like beautiful stuff that repeats, double bottom, right? Price came back to this low, if you just bought, like if I bought calls here, right, on this double bottom, start thinking longer term, because these patterns exist and they repeat. For example, double bottom, another one, trend line break, right? Bro, it's all human psychology. Trend line break, we bounce up, right? This is a change in trend. And the change in trend was also by this double bottom, another double bottom. A longer term trader is taking that and eating, bro. So it's like, yeah, I'm gonna start getting to that point, and and like I'm saying it out loud because I know, like I'm putting this shit in the universe. I'm putting that thought in the universe. To be honest, this might be another Tesla trade, right? Look at this trend line break that's still holding, and we just made this double. Like this might be another trade. We can have a tight stop loss here. Like, nah, but I'm walking away soon. I might take this last trade, but I might walk away soon. But like, you see how this trend line is holding, right? If we fall here, we know we're probably coming to this low. Thank God I didn't take that trade. And I'm about to walk away. Cause but I like talking this shit, man. I love talking this shit. It just makes so much sense, bro. And then when you like trend line break, boom, connect the highs, boom, obvious trade, boom, boom, take calls. Like and I'm not even saying I could get to a point. I'm already at that point because I'm only taking it on day trades, but bro, give me a $2 million account. Give me this trend line break. I'm gonna put how much am I gonna put on that? 50K on that? Eat some calls, nigga. This shit could double. I'll make 100K, right? Like, Bro, these are trades, bro. These are obvious trades, and you see it when like reading that book, bro. Reading that book is crazy. And I'ma take these trades, bro. Trendline breakout highs. Like, man, thank God I didn't take that trade. Thank God I took that trade. Yeah, I might read, bro. I'm just, we going to win. Good day trading, though, man. The markets are just beautiful, though. I don't want to leave. He said, I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. Thank God I took profits here, though. Can I get in a trade here? This could be this is a rounding top. This is a call credit spread. Do that chill for the day. These wicks will tell me buyers are here. That's all on the 5 minute. I'm not even on support. I might be done for the day though. 3 dojis. That was in the book too. Somebody's got to win this battle, and it might be the Bears. Cause look at this level, right? There's no volume here. Big gap. And we gapped down from that news. And we made this piercing. But I don't want to go short on a long day. We made this rounding top though. And we made the rounding top here. And then fell. It might be a call. Maybe. I'll just hold. I'll wait and hold. Buyers could probably make a lot of money here. I end up breaking out. A lot of dojis though. You just wait. You just wait. This market's beautiful. That's such a good day. That's such a good day, man. Shall prosper. Bro said the market's closed Memorial Day. That's interesting. 4 days trading. I have Tuesday till Sunday. Mm-hmm. Shall fall in it. And this has highs though too, so this could break out. If you want a big tree, bam, 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 we are the small axe, bam, 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 ready to put you down, bam, 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 to cut you down. See, because there's a lot of dojis. Is this a new support? Nah, this is a hard trade. This is something you don't trade. My trade here was pretty good. My Tesla trade was good. Did I take Q's here? What was the first Q's trade? At 9:42. If I could scalp the market this well every day, bro. 9:42 to 1. No, we won. Oh, that was the early. What this trade? That was 10:30. Yeah, this trade was such a good trade. This was such a good trade. That was such a good trade, man. Shit's beautiful. It's so beautiful, bro. Be patient. The truth will out. And the truth right now is that buyers are winning. I don't want to take. I'm not gonna take that trade, but that does look nice. That'll be a chase if I chase it, though. You can't chase. Buying breakouts is fucking thinking God's gonna save you. And we're on resistance. This is why it's definitely not a buy. If it comes back down, perhaps it's a buy. It has to come back down and have a candlestick pattern. It might come back down here, 507.79. Then I could take it back up, add more up to 509.14. All these fucking dojis, though. Nasty fucking work. Or I could just leave. I might just fucking leave, bro. fucking leaving. If it continues to break out, should I bought the credit spread here? Why am I not doing credit spreads? Some scalping. Low key make more money on the scalp. And it's quicker. But I should still have a credit spread today. Because that's the bread and butter. Where the fuck is my screen? You still gotta have, but what's the credit spread? I'm on a fucking island. Prices consolidating, but we're gapping up. See, that trade would have been okay. It's okay to miss it. What's the next retracement? Back to resistance. But then where do you take it? You don't take it here. There's a lot of resistance there. No, you missed it. Buy the next support. See this? Maybe you buy it right here, but see the same thing about here. You just gotta be patient. It wasn't clear buying signal. It's a nasty 5 fucking minute chart. It's nasty 5 minute chart. But we're bouncing on support. So maybe we hold that support. It's a key level. See, that would have been a good trade. I should have took that. I should have took that. Who cares? Who the fuck cares? Maybe, yeah, we're bouncing a lot of resistance here. Which is why we're probably not breaking out. We're definitely not gonna break out. So maybe a call credit spread back at this level. What if we do break out? We're making higher lows. We fell. Oh, that's actually interesting. We fell to this previous resistance here, and then we held, which is, and we're making dojis. That was a good trade. I should have took that trade. The 2 minute didn't show it though. The 5 minute did. Maybe the 1 minute will show it. If the 2 minute, the 1 minute definitely won't. You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, previous resistance becomes support. I probably could have taken that. I definitely should have taken that. So what's next? We retrace. Where do we retrace? Previous resistance becomes support. 508.28 is where we come back and take the trade. But I'm also not gonna buy a breakout and some dumb shit. Get fucking slaughtered. I'm not doing that. You buy at support. 508.29. Regular party supports around here. 41. See if you come here, not on the 1 minute chart, on the 2 minute chart. Where do we come back? Around this piercing pattern. And then we take it how many points? Around 50 points, perhaps. It's not a bad trade. If are they doing that on volume? The highest volume's here, and that was the wick, and we pierced, but we're piercing 70% retracement, so it's pretty good. We'll just have resistance, right? I'd rather buy after the resistance. You really should have bought there. That would have, that would have made it the 4K day, 4K trade. I've been trading really well though, and that means missing trades. It's okay to miss trades. See, the five just crossed everything again. We just had this doji on top of a rally. If that makes a new high, we'll probably keep going to that level. New high, we probably keep going. I should have taken that trade. Really good trade. I wish I took that. So where do we come? We come back 46 then. We probably won't come back too far. Hmm. The dojis told me too, especially this bullish engulfing and then dojis. Yeah, I start reading that book more. On support, come on. Come on. You gotta take that. And MACD crossed. It's about to come back though. Where does it come back? It'll tell me where. After it tells me where, perhaps a credit spread. I don't think so though. I don't know about the credit spread. We're above the zero line, perhaps. But we have to do that on the pullback. And it's a Friday. I don't want to do that. Fuck that. Fucking one more tweet and I get fucked. No, we wait. We take the scalp. We get to 4K with the scalp. We just gotta fucking wait. What time is it? Fucking patience. What the fuck is wrong with my computer? Be patient. Where the fuck's my screen? Fuck you, Rigged Party. I'll watch the market. I'll make more of the Mag 7 shit. And I'll rename it. Because there were a couple trades here. See, Tesla. Tesla's holding that trend line, man. I could have taken it again. Nvidia holding the support. Nvidia is the trade. Apple's holding. Meta is holding. What's Bitcoin doing? Coinbase is dropping. Interesting. JP Morgan. Is there anything to get in though? It's just fucking dojis and wicks. That's why I need more shit to look at. Meta is okay. It's kind of. Google's okay as well. Google's okay. It's really good. Let's see what Google's talking about. What's Q's doing? Yeah, Q's is gonna come back. It's just gonna take its time. I guess that was a lot of buying. It wasn't even on a lot of volume, so that shit's gonna fall. What was I talking about? Google. Google looks good, man. What the fuck is with my screen? That shit's pissing me off. And I gotta save this shit different. Cause it's fucking me up. Doesn't look that good actually. What's the 5 talking about? That doesn't look that good. You lie. I'll save this shit because that shit's fucking me up. It just goes. If we go, it's a lot of resistance there, but how many points is that? That's like 50 points. Nah, we pull back, then we go. If we pull back and go, I could take that trade. You just gotta be patient. Let it come to me. Bum, 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 bum. When's a good day to pull up this summer? Let's do a weekend. My boy said he's gonna pull up. Fuck around and golf. Let's golf. And nigga pull up this weekend. Memorial Day. If Q's is gonna break out. Yeah, Q's is breaking out. I'm not gonna buy that, but that shit's gonna break out. Look at this, try to make higher highs. If you break out, you break out. I'm not taking that trade. Fuck you. Assemble the army. God wills it. I'm not taking that fucking trade. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm not taking that. Watch the scene. I'm not taking that fucking trade. Fuck off. Fuck off. It's gonna break out too. Fuck you. Fuck you. This shit's going back. I see. Being in this initial trade is the way. You gotta control the fucking emotions. Cause you gotta see these shits, bro. Not all money is good money. Control. Control. What the fuck? The bitch is gonna fucking break out, bro. I don't take that trade. That's not my trade. The bitch is gonna break out. What the fuck?